to your neighbors, give them a warm aloha. Turn to the back and go, hooey! I'm Mele Alpana, and I'm always so happy to see all of you folks here at a beautiful Kamaʻāina Sunday. We are here every second Sunday to honor our ali, our kupuna, and of course our beloved ʻIolani Palace. Mahalo, please put your hands together for our CEO and President of ʻIolani Palace, Paula Akana, and the wonderful staff, and mahalo to Hawaii Tourism Authority. Of course, today we had our kupuna tradition, and we had Eddie Kamai's Sons of Hawaii. Did you guys enjoy that? It was so awesome. We're so blessed to have all the legendary and iconic entertainers to come to share their stories, their mana'o, their mo'olelo, and their music with us. And ladies and gentlemen, we are so honored to have another legendary entertainer. He is Dr. Music Google Extraordinaire, walking encyclopedia, and the list goes on, with his beautiful daughter, champions of our lahui. Love them so much. This is what you call incredible leaders of our lahui, inspiring and empowering for people, not just here in Hawaii, but around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I love you guys. It would tear up. Put your hands together. Entertainer, extraordinaire, the legendary Dr. Jon Osorio.
Cast your eyes down the mountain.
And his daughter, Heoli.
From the surf into the valley. Breathlessly waiting through the years. Solemn and silent songs have gathered here. White Creole, old ways like the sea. Flow unceasingly, a thousand voices speak to me. Wave rushes on, and the mist rolls in. Hawaiian spirits Far from the surge of the city we stand, hearing the pulse of our people in this land. Daughters of dark and sons of the sea, cleave to the earth and live in harmony. Where the old ways like the wind breathe and stir within. A thousand voices sing again. Wave rushes on, mist rolls in. Hawaiian spirits live.
Thank you.
Wave rushes on, mist rolls in. Hawaiian spirits live again.
Oh my God.